supervision for the job. Right? Planning. You know what we're going to do. We're going to set this trench box in, and we're going to put people in there, right? That's the plan.
Right.
Okay? Equipment. We got good equipment, and we got the equipment running. We have that. Then evolution complexity. How complex is this evolution? We're what we got. Team fitness. The team. Training to do this job. We've assessed that risk. 1 to 10, remember? We say, is this manageable? So everybody is a supervisor here today. What do we got to take care of?
My paycheck.
That you've learned today.
What the supervisor did.
Take care of one another first. Safety.
Each other. So you're looking at each other, vest and all the equipment and everything on, okay, and whether we're able to perform. What's next do we got to look at? As a supervisor.
We got some cones. Where the cones at?
There you go.
Cones.
Yeah, we need
So
some
we
cones
want to
right
set
here.
up that MOT, right?
Yeah.
We got a little traffic path here.
Right? Signs, traffic calming, right? Maybe a police officer or vehicles out there. Let them run into a vehicle before us, right? So all that stuff. What else do we want?
Check the soil.
Soil.
I think
Somebody
that's
take a
about
look
an
at that soil. We're going to squeeze it.
A+.
We're going to
You
pinch
gotta
it.
squeeze it? Let's see.
Yes. Stick your thumb in there.
You gotta taste it.
There's that, and then there's
What does
the.
it taste like?
Oh, that's like, yeah.
It's actually equipment.
Can you make a ball out of it, and does it stay together, or does it just fall apart?
It got some structure to it. Kinda.
And it's wet. It'll
It's
stay.
wet.
Been raining every day, but
Okay, so the wetness says on wetness, it's going to have more cohesion,
Density.
but it's also going to have more weight. So that has to be calculated, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So the weight will really impact.
So now we tested that soil. What else did we learn about? What else we got to fix?
the quad.
Our setback.
Yeah. Okay.
We don't have setback here. It's right here. We just added 2 more feet to this trench.
yep.
Okay, so are we got to take the time to push all this out of the way? That's where you assess the risks. And you can say, no, for this trench is minor. It's only a little bit, but you want to document that. We've assessed it. We know this is going to be a higher risk.
So the way you may be able to compensate for that here is this trench box is almost 6 feet, looks like right at 6 feet tall. That trench does not look 6 feet deep. So actually that spoil pile, even though you'd want to have it at least 2 feet away, is going to still be below or where the trench raises up to, unless we were to dig another foot or 2 down. So when we put this trench box in, that won't be able to cave in, or at least not on the sides. Now here it's open. So you would have these edges more able to cave in. So you do have to compensate for that.
So something that you want to think about or do, and then you mitigate those risks, and if you can't, you document it. Okay? What else problems do we have?
We got stuff in the trench.
Stuff in the trench. Remember, taking out those encumbrances. So you have a rock and a tripping hazard. It could be a rock that's embedded or whatever. So you want to scrape that out to make sure it's not going to come out and roll onto somebody. What else do we have?
Is that a chlorine thing? Got a jug in there.
Jug in there. So before we put somebody in there, we find out maybe what it is. Could be hazardous material. So now your soil could be contaminated.
Yeah, got that. Identify that.
Or it could be hazardous to you. That's your material safety data sheet. What else do we have? What other problem?
Another
I gotta
spoil
say the
pile.
word before I forget it. Encumbrances. What encumbrance do we have right now?
I need to get some shit, man.
Right here. What did it say about encumbrances?
Oh, it's too close to the edge. It's
Right.
Yeah, too close over there.
So
It
what
fall
did it
in.
say?
2 feet.
No, did not.
What? Oh no. Oh.
2 foot was your setback for your spoil.
Oh, the 5.
As far as the dig is, the hole is depth. depth
Exactly.
of this hole? Far
So
as
4 foot.
4 foot
This
hole, 4
needs
foot
to move
setback.
back 4 feet. Can you do
6
that
foot
for me,
depth,
please?
6 foot setback.
There you go.
Or
Yeah,
get it
like
out
5.
all together.
Oh, players make
You
it
got that P? You need some help. You got it.
And once we get this trench box in, and before we put somebody in the trench, what else do we need to have?
Ladder.
A ladder. Do we have a ladder?
Yep.
That's the ladder we got. They gave us there.
Do we have a right kind of ladder?
No, sir.
No, this ain't gonna.
What is that ladder used for? That's a
Putting Christmas
that's a utility ladder. That's a working ladder. You need a climbing ladder. So that is not the correct type of ladder.
Definitely not.
Let's go ahead and put it in. We assess the risk. It's a minimal size trench.
Okay.
Low risk.
So we're gonna put that one in. Okay, we'll do it. We can do
After
this.
after we get the trench box in.
Gotcha.
Yeah,
Yes.
you don't have to put it in right now because nobody's going in.
Yeah, you guys aren't going to work it, but again, if you were going to be down in there, we'd want a different ladder. We would not want a utility ladder. You'd want an extension ladder, a straight ladder.
Over the brim of the pole.
23-foot ladder.
Access 3 feet over. I have something else.
He said if you feel unsafe, don't do it.
I found that.